Mr. Flowmaster, what did you spot out there in Unity?
Yeah, so this is just a whole bunch of people have been talking about these trades. They were very distinct. There were 10,000 lots paying basically clear cut buyer. All of them printed on Cboe too, which is surprising. They paid 360 for 10 grand and then 390 for 10 grand. And over between the 40 grand were on Wednesday and 30 were on Friday. They net opened 70,000 of these January 30 calls. The stock was around 24-ish when they started and got up to 25 bucks when they finished. And yesterday, and I've been watching this closely because we can see from the data that the market maker community sold all of them. And it's a really big position for that name. It's also a name that has been associated with Roaring Kitty. I think in January, I found some headline saying that he had tweeted out a link to a song called Unity, and it's in the video game world, right? So we know that the meme community pays attention to this. So that stock got up to 28 bucks yesterday. These calls were trading as high as 590. Okay, so on 70,000 contracts or so, that's a huge, meaning they were up kind of 25-30 million dollars on this position, but it's a big position. I actually threw them into our Silex risk management tool just to model it out. And you could see if the stock really did take off into kind of the meme stratosphere, this could be a $100+ million winner. But what's interesting is yesterday from $28 when these calls were trading as high as 590, news hit the tape midday that their CTO had stepped down after only 6 months and the stock got creamed. And it makes me wonder if maybe they're put on this position so they could really trade some big gamma around it, because we see a position that big and the way it was put on, it was almost like they wanted everybody to know what they were doing, right? Possibly they're hoping to ignite the fires of the meme world. But given that they had a big high profile departure and the stock got hurt, even though these calls are back down, they're still up 50 cents or so on the position, but big difference from $3. It could be a situation where they end up doing great because they're able to trade the gamma, even if the stock doesn't go up to $40.